Alright folks, hopefully this is the last night we use the plasma table as an actual shitty junk mess table. Alex is here. I've got a new computer set up. I'm gonna try to make this bitch roll.
Yeah.
Let's give us an update here. We see wheat bales. What's going on?
Oh, I don't know. Just installing software for the plasma table.
Okay. How is it going so far? Is it promising?
It's looking promising.
Okay, this is great. I like this news. Oh my god.
We're getting closer.
Yeah, this thing's making fan noises. I've finally cleared off the whole table. I just want stuff to move and make noise, and
I want shit to turn on and start cutting.
well, it won't cut because the loader's in the way of getting the cable over here to plug in the plasma. So I won't physically cut, but that'll move. That's all I want to see. Make that happen. Well, I got my Dodge box in. I figured it's March, past mid-March. I better fucking get going on it. Now, I fixed this side a few years ago and I just fucking put Bondo and paint on it just to say a couple years ago. And now, some of that rust is coming back out. I don't know how solid it is. I haven't had a peek behind it, but I did it okay, but you know, I rushed it and I didn't finish it and I didn't paint it properly. My bad. So, it's starting to get real rough. Real rough. This side's getting there. I have a replacement side for it, hiding somewhere amongst this fucking mess that I need to organize real fucking soon because I'm losing my mind here. Okay, so I'm gonna be working on this box, and this is in the middle of finishing Abby's bike. Yes, Abby's bike is not done yet. Over here at Luke's, not much has changed, except for the bars. The wheels are done. The very last thing to do is the paint. I could literally start assembling this thing. Well, at least not at this point in this video. So I just need to get started, right? So hopefully I can do this box up within, you know, a couple of days. Get it mostly all done, cleaned up. The one thing I'm gonna do at the back of the box is that I have that 2012 tailgate, and I'm going to add little pieces here, you know, to make it match. So it looks like the tailgate belongs on this box. Well, you probably can't see. Oh yeah, you can. A couple months ago, I bought these 8-foot forks for the Bobcat, and oh my God, they literally just paid themselves off bringing this thing in. It was just so cool. And just like, I literally like forked, you can see my fork mark. I went in with the forks, picked the snow completely off. I had to shovel none of this. This was like full, like up to here. It was ridiculously awesome. I think Luke took a picture. So I'll probably add that in here as soon as he sends it to me, which will probably be in a month from now. Anyways, so this is the beginning of the Dodge build. I gotta get it ready because race car season's coming soon. The race car, we have to pull the engine out, redo the bottom end bearings. Hopefully that's all that's wrong with that. I would love nothing but to work on that, but I'm a guy who has too many things, and I believe that I should not have to get rid of any of my things. So I'm going to keep trying to work hard at getting everything else good to go, keeping you guys updated properly, because I'm having a hard time with that. But then I am just, that's gotta be done this summer. I gotta be done done. At least done enough that it drives in and out, brakes, stops, everything. So anyways, Dodge build, let's begin. All right, so we got the Dodge box up here. Alex is doing research while the computer reboots. The bed of the truck is in good condition. There's some crustiness there, some couple dents. I don't know how much I'm gonna fix dents and stuff because I'm putting the liner back in. But the plan is just to make the box, like, it's still fairly solid. All the crossers are good except for the front one. We'll take you there. This wheel lip is the bad one. You know, like the inside's still fairly decent, but you know, this up here is what causes, you know, you get sand and debris back here. Like, once I cut this out, you'll see there's like, this will all be full of like sand and dirt and stuff. That's how these things rot out, you know, two seams together and anyways, whatever. So there's this to fix. This cross member is completely pooched. So I will be replacing it if I can find one. Hey guys, in the shop tonight. I got let out of work early, basically because we're done screening sand on the project that we're on, so maybe moving on to other things starting tomorrow if I go back to crushing. Anyways, I bought this frame for a press for 40 bucks last year. That led me to the plasma table, which is almost running. Oh, I'm so computer dumb. Thank God I got good friends. I'll tell you that. Whew. I'm gonna have to get good at it if I'm gonna start just making nice parts. Anyways, so basically, like, I've a dimple die set that I bought a few years ago that I still haven't used, and we're probably gonna do a few pieces of aluminum on. We're gonna do some door panels out of aluminum for Luke's truck, and some pieces on his fenders to make them look a little bit better because we're not going to be running inner fenders in that truck no more. Anyways, so I want to get this going so I can do some dimple die stuff and make some panels and stuff, because I mean, I'm going to be doing stuff for the 47 soon. Soon, I hope. Yeah, just get set up, do some stuff. Anyways, so my plan for tonight is I bought some caster wheels. Okay, take a look at this. So I bought some caster wheels, and I literally just did this. I stuck a grinder and I fucking made a line in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook up this this hand crank to the setup, so I don't have to, you know, fight with the pins and stuff. So basically what's gonna happen, I'm gonna take these two casters, I'm gonna weld them like that. There's gonna be another one on the other side. So this hand crank's gonna be attached to like the plate set up here, so that it just like lifts itself up and down. All right, I've got both wheels grooved. I've got spots cleaned up. I'm gonna set these up and tack them in place. Now, all I wanna make sure is that the wheel is sticking up high enough that the cable will run across. this little project for me. It's very inexpensive. And Frank, I got it at a yard sale for $5. And these casters I think were $3.50 each at Princess Auto. Oh my god. It's moving, guys. Alex is moving.
Yeah, I know. This is exciting.
Oh my god.
Hey.
Oh my god. It literally took me forever to clean up this cross member. Oh god, this shit better work out because I'm fucking losing my mind. So it's still very solid, but it had lots of rust in it. And I had a hard time cleaning it out. So what I did was I took the Tiger torch and heated the shit out of it. Not to the point it was red, but to the point that all the rust was flaking off. And I had to wire wheel it, hammer, fucking pry bars, scraping everything. So now, what I'm gonna do is put some of this rust converter stuff on. And by the time I get home from work tomorrow, I should be able to clean this all up and paint it inside and get it ready to install. Now, done some other stuff here. Got my wheel well opening all cut up, ready to go. Got my wheel well opened up, ready to go. I'm going to install that from in behind so that I have room to do mud work after. So that if I screw up, which I will, that's not an OEM direct. I bought it on eBay, dirt cheap. The guy doesn't make them no more, but it's been, I bought that probably like over a year ago. Anyways, so I'm gonna fit it in and make it all nice with the mud work. So we can move on to cutting out the rotten one and putting that in once it's ready to go. Well, we're making more progress on the table.
Yep.
Alex is fixing stuff. And I'm fixing stuff. Oh, you guys must be thinking of, holy shit, Gas. Man, you got so many fucking projects on the go. Yep, you're right. We got Luke's truck, Abby's bike, my truck. We won't talk about that one. Plasma table. That really needs to happen so that happens better. But yeah. So far I've drilled out all of the, well, I think there's maybe one or two more to go for that cross member. The other one is all prepped, ready to go to be put in. I don't know. I'm fitting this fucking... I'm fitting this thing here and it's made flat. Like it was just like made flat and there's no contour to it at all. Whatsoever. Like, it's gonna be like damn near impossible to make this nice. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. I'm afraid. So very afraid. Well, I got her all done. She's all out. Swiss cheese. Fromage Ontario. Ontario. Anyways, the rest of the box is not that pretty. But, you know, a new box or a box in good shape is like $2,000 and there's not a chance that I'm spending that. Still don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I'm gonna see if my buddy Shane, if I could use his English wheel, maybe I could like Clean that up a bit, but that's nasty. It's gross. Back in the shop this morning. I banged this thing up a little bit last night. I don't have the right pliers. I should be squeezing there, which would and straighten that out. But I've got everything pretty much a little bit of a contour now. You know, just to say holding it there. A lot better than it was before. So hopefully we can tack this in today. I'm gonna take this off and use some of that to patch that square hole. Then when I took that off last night, I noticed the box was pretty screwed up too. So I've got those pieces all cut out, ready to replace. We'll replace what we have to, clean up the rest. Yeah, hopefully if I can get this cross member in today, that'd be nice, but you know me, I doubt it. All right, I got it tacked in. I'm trying to use the light here to see how much. A little bit of warping there. I saw it when I did it after. Fucking thing's all bubbled up right here. Stupid welds, but that'll be fine. I gotta remember that I got fender flares going over this, so it doesn't really matter. Other than that, everything else was pretty good. Yeah, I had to shape this panel. Man, was that ever hard. Jeez. But I'm happy with that. We'll fully send that in. Then I'm gonna get going on fixing the floor back there so I can put the crosser in. And then we gotta fix that part. God, it's gonna be like a week on this box. Jesus. This stuff's pretty good.